Today, we're learning how to shoot a bow and arrow. Okay, so first thing you want to do is you want to have to get a bow and arrow first, learn how to use it. Maybe use like an arm guard. I don't use that because I'm used to it. I'm used to the peen, because I use it a lot. So what you want to do is pull the string back a little bit, and then you want to put it in, connect to the rope so the back of it is stuck inside it, and then you want to hold it like this, hold it right under the arrow so it's connected to it, so your hand's touching it, so it has a stable shot. And then what you want to do is, I have a shirt here with cardboard on the inside, so what you want to do is pull back really hard and fire. And that did a lot of damage, and that is how you shoot a bow and arrow.